Whoa, blurry! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We are actually going to AAA right now, or DMV. We're gonna go and try to pass the smog for the third time. The last time that I went, they said that it wasn't gonna pass because of the catalytic converter. And to be honest, I haven't found a place where they sell the catalytic converters for this model just yet, so I'm still looking, and I really need the tag. So I read on the internet, because the internet, everything on the internet's real. I went ahead and bought the Cataclean, which pretty much it says restores and maintains your exhaust and fuel systems. Normally they say that it's safe for all gasoline, diesel, and hybrid cars and trucks, and pretty much cleans oxygen sensors, cleans fuel injectors, cylinder heads. But one of the main things why I bought it and why a lot of people are buying it and they said that it works, it's because it cleans your catalytic converter enough to pass the smog. It's not going to be a permanent fix. Of course, your catalytic converter is still gonna be bad, but if at least you can pass the smog, that opens up more time to drive around and stuff. But let's see if it passes. I've been driving it for more than the 10 to 15 miles that it says. Here, as you can see, don't worry about the service required. That's for my tire pressure, but I don't have the TPMS sensors yet. So you're supposed to put the Cataclean when it's about like a quarter to an eighth of your gas tank. This one I need to go fill it up. It's almost done, but you can see it's 79 in here, but it's super hot outside. But yeah, let's head to the DMV or AAA and let's see if we pass, because honestly I really need those tags so we can start doing other stuff. I don't know why it took so long with this. Also, I fixed the headlights. It was just changing the bulb, so that's why I didn't record that, but I'll show you right now. So you can see, turning them on. This is my high beams. Those are pretty much like that. So, oh, and then I don't think you can see the fog lights, but it works, and we have to go. They're gonna close soon, so let's go. We're in the same spot. It's because the AAA DMV was closed, so I came back home. I don't know what's going on, to be honest with you. I'm gonna put you down. I was checking the OBD2 app on my phone as I was heading to the DMV just to double check on the catalyst, and it just says heated catalyst something not available. And I kept reading that, you know, if it's not heating up, it's not gonna show up, or even if it's not heating up to the threshold, it's not gonna show. So right now I'm gonna go home and check if I can find some online, maybe new catalytic converters, because I mean eventually we're gonna have to do that. We're gonna have to replace a bunch of parts. Like I said, it's getting to the point where it's gonna be 200,000 miles in this car. Right now it has 181 or so, or a little bit above that. But you know, there's stuff that you're gonna have to change, and if we want the car to keep going, we gotta go through it. So let me, also the car was feeling a little bit weird. Sometimes it will have too much gas, and sometimes it will have too little of gas. I mean, like speed, and you know how you feel your pedal. Sometimes it feels like you're getting back pressure, sometimes it feels like you're not. So I don't know, it's kind of weird, but that's where I am at the moment. There's really nothing much that I've been doing car wise. I've been doing back end stuff. So you know, a lot of you have shown support throughout all these years, and for those that are just joining you and you haven't subscribed, which is about 98.2% of you, go ahead and sign up. I was gonna say, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a lot of mods, detailing, DIY stuff that I want to do with the car. I'm just gonna mess around with the car, but I want to take you on a ride. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment down below what are some stuff that you want to see, so I can, you know, get some ideas. I'll be out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and you know it. Peace out.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Lovers